Here's just a tiny sample of the secrets you'll discover and the amazing results you'll get by turning off your hidden hormonal defect and turning on your fat shrinking signal in just 10 minutes. How to lose 10 pounds in 14 days so you fit into your skinny jeans and you actually outshine the bride when you're the bridesmaid at her wedding. The 60-second flat belly trick that burns up ugly fat like a gasoline-soaked log thrown into a bonfire. The amazing experience of waking up every morning wide-eyed like a puppy bursting with energy because you can't wait any longer to pick out another slim and sexy outfit that fits your body just right and makes you feel like $1,000,000 all day long in front of your jealous coworkers. One simple total body movement that anyone can do to rapidly tone your abs, chest, shoulders, core, and the back of your jiggly arms in seconds, saving you hours every week so you can spend more time making lifelong memories with your family and friends. The exact cardio sequence that Jennifer Lopez uses to look unbelievable and tone every inch of her body at age 46 that you can do right in your living room with just 3 feet of space to get even better results in a fraction of the time. The foolproof method to getting a firm and flat belly in just minutes a day so you can be the hero and role model your children deserve in this world of childhood obesity, $1,000,000 medical bills, and greedy food corporations trying to get in your pockets at every turn while keeping you fat and hungry. The look on your best friend's face as you meet for dinner and her jaw drops with envy as you show off a new sleek, tight-fitting dress while she hides behind layers of bulky clothes wishing she were you. The underground fountain of youth secret that instantly turns on your anti-aging hormones so you turn back the clock 10+ years without wasting any money on expensive creams, lotions, or other garbage products whose only goal for you is to buy more. Finally get back at the diet company creeps who suck in poor women and men every year to waste thousands of dollars on their horrible meals and programs only to keep you spending money rather than solving your weight problems once and for all. The 20-second trick to flattening your belly like a Victoria's Secrets model without starving yourself skinny or wasting hours at the gym.